As a symbol of cooperative goodwill, work, and sharing, we dedicate this home.
At Wright State, you get local people, students, who go to that university, get a great education, and then they stay here, and they make our community better. And when I think about the opportunity to make our community better in the work that I do at Habitat for Humanity, it felt like a really natural fit. We're building a Habitat for Humanity house with the help of a couple hundred Wright State student athletes in the athletic department. All the interior and exterior wall panels of that home are being built today. Once we get those panels built today, they'll head out to our site, our build site, actually in New Carlisle, where we're going to be building the Raider Nation home.
Me growing up, I just played video games, went outside and played. I really never got my hands dirty for real. So this is kind of like a workout, to be honest. My forearm is kind of tight right now. As you see, I'm taking a kind of, a little break.
As athletes all together, like, it's so rewarding, and being able to help someone that needs it.
It means a lot. I'm really appreciative. It came a long way.
Basically what you see here is we're building a big puzzle. The puzzle is the house.
Thought I'd come out and see the fruits of our labor. This is incredible. I mean, you can't vision all of this, right? You can't envision. It's just the look and the house, and the fact that it's got siding and a roof and all the trimmings. It's great.
Oh my goodness!
It all kind of came together, and here we are, a year later, and we're about to hand off some keys to Charlotte. She signed her 0% interest mortgage payment this morning. She's incredible. She's worked really hard. She was at our event in March as well, and has volunteered lots of hours on this project herself. She's helped build this house.
When I think back on that rainy, cold day, and those stacks of wood, and our student athletes, all 200 of them, some of them had never used a hammer before, watching them work, and then them saying, nope, you got to do it again, because they thought it was a race, and they're like, it's not a race, you got to do it right, you don't have to do it fast. When I think about that, and then we're standing here, I mean, what a wonderful thing. You've earned it.
Yes.
This is yours.
Those are yours.
It's been just a pleasure and something I'm really proud of, because I definitely am a better person for having gone to Wright State.